This really marks an important moment in the company's history. We've done a lot of work over the last couple of years to really transform all aspects of the company. We are very much now in a position where we are growth on.
NYSE-listed company Lincoln Financial is here to ring the closing bell to celebrate 120 years. They're a company that specializes in life insurance and retirement planning. Their chairman, CEO, and president, Ellen Cooper, joins me. Welcome to the New York Stock Exchange.
Thank you so much. And I am just so thrilled to be here. What an honor to be here and really to be able to mark 120 years for Lincoln Financial.
That's right. You were founded in 1905. What does this milestone, 120 years, represent for the company?
So I would say a number of things. The first is that if you think about a company that is 120 years old, like Lincoln Financial, we have been making promises and commitments to our policyholders for 120 years. And so the idea that we have honored those commitments and those promises and that we're going to continue to do so, I think is testament to how we have 17 million customers across all of America. So that's the first thing. The second thing is that this really marks an important moment in the company's history. We've done a lot of work over the last couple of years to really transform all aspects of the company. We are very much now in a position where we are growth on. And so we're really excited to be able to have this opportunity to really mark that. And the third thing, and maybe the most important thing, is that Lincoln Financial has the naming rights to be able to use the Abraham Lincoln name and also likeness. And so we take so seriously the fact that Abraham Lincoln's values of integrity, of high ethics, of just strong commitment to be able to push to do things differently is part of who we are in our DNA. So the opportunity to be able to mark that today on the New York Stock Exchange is really significant.
So the last time you rang the closing bell was 2022. You had just stepped into the role as CEO. You entered that role in May of that year. What has Lincoln been focused on since you stepped into that role?
We have been incredibly busy transforming all aspects of the company. And I would really put this into three main categories. The first is that we have been focusing on really securing the balance sheet and really having a fortress balance sheet and having capital, foundational capital. And so that's been a significant part of what we have focused on in the last couple of years. The second thing is we've done all types of initiatives around optimizing our operating model. And we have examples around expense efficiencies, around technology, infrastructure, people, processes that we have continued to improve and elevate. And that's been an important part of our story. And the third thing, and probably the most important thing, is focusing on the growth aspirations of our four businesses. And so we really have sustained momentum in our retail businesses, our life and our annuity businesses, in two businesses that are sold through the workplace, our retirement plan services and group protection. We're excited about the progress, and we're also excited to be able to keep and maintain that momentum as we go forward.
Looking to Lincoln Financial's next 120 years and beyond, what's next?
So from my perspective, the best is yet to come. So first of all, as we think about the fact that part of what we do is we provide financial protection and security to our customers and to their families. And the importance as we look at what we do and the value that we bring to customers is recognizing that we are supporting closing the protection gap here in America by providing these types of products and services to overall customers. Our ability to continue to do that as the addressable market grows and to develop new product and innovate around them to be able to enable more people to confidently succeed their way is really critical to our overall mission. And we're just excited about what the future will bring as we grow and we are able to expand and provide more access to more people.
Ellen, thank you so much for joining us and enjoy your time at the New York Stock Exchange. If you'd like to see more content, you can download the NYSE TV app. On the floor of the exchange, I'm Ashley Mastronardi.